Good evening, good morning, and hello! It is the brand new owner of the Somnium Files, the special collector's edition for the Nintendo Switch. Michael, otherwise known as Casey, you bet. Anyway, I'm excited. I'm really pumped about this. So I even have like my almost sort of headphones, maybe not headphones because they're not like actually on her ears, but whatever. I'm still really excited and wait, there we go. Yes. There we go. That's awesome. I hope this doesn't mess up my camera too much, especially because I'm not even going to be on the video because I'm gonna cut to this. Woo! We got the full collector's edition for the Nintendo Switch. Sorry, the special agent edition. We got a set, we got Iba, and we got a pair of scissors to open this up. Right before recording, I did put a little hole right up here, so hopefully I won't have to bring the scissors out again. Nice. Oh, nice. Well, actually, no, I should be able to open this. Because it shouldn't have stickers on it. Oh, look at all the binary there in the background. I don't know if you could tell with the weird lighting. But here we go. Okay, throw that away. At the back, the mind never lies. Super excited. So yeah, let's just, it slides right off. How does it look? Can't really tell because it's behind the thing. But there's the lighting, it's just the same stuff, just without all of the titles and stuff that is there for the consumer to know what exactly they're ordering or buying. Ooh, and then the back is just clean, the Somnium Files logo. Nice. Anyway, let's open this. The lighting is weird because the light's coming from my desk, which is in the back. It is open. Let's slide it out. Okay, I don't want to be too aggressive with it. Wrong way. Okay, so. Ooh, perfect, backwards. We got the game itself. Super excited. So we have everybody on the cover. Can't really tell because of the lighting, but we have, the main cast, Day 1 edition, so I'm a hipster when this game takes off, similar stuff to the back of the big version. Let's put that in the back right there. Let's not put it on there so it doesn't slip over. Look at the back, or the book. Whoa, the Somnium Files art book. I could open this and look through it, but personally I don't want spoilers, so I will do that later, after I'm done with the game. Also, look at my phone case. It's like a Tessa-inspired thing with a cat that I got at a cat cafe last week. But yeah, it's whoa, look at it go. Anyway, that's not why you're here. Look at this. Whoa. Soundtrack. I don't really want to look at the back, but I'll show you guys. Do I want to look at the disc? Sure, let's slide it out. Look at that. Nice. Let's slide that back in there. Don't want to use it yet. Yes! Yes, we got some stickers! Exactly what I wanted, but now I can't use them because I'm scared that whenever I use them, I'd be like, well, that's the only time I can use them, so I'm going to collect these and never use them and just have them in my life. Oh, look. In the case, we have little Iba there. I'm not sure if you can tell via the lighting. We have one at the top and one at the bottom. Two Ibas, like two eyes. We got the little, how do I get this out without? There we go. We got the little ASAT stand, which I'll put together in just a second. And is there anything else? I don't think so, but who knows? I don't think there's anything in there. Although this would have been a perfect thing to put the game itself in, because it's the same size almost, probably not actually, maybe. Almost the same size. Like a nice little pocket, you could see the Switch thing peeking out, just like in the Switch and the dock. Anyway, let's put that back, which this also has two eyes. So let's slide that back in there, put that back there, and do a nice little recap. We got the game. We got stickers. I love this one. This one's my favorite. Soundtrack. Art book that I can't look at yet because I haven't played the game. And then the ASAT stand. I'm the guy who has all my amiibo boxes still. So, if that says anything about myself. So, slide this out. Oh, I have to open this too. Another thing I have to not damage. That's okay, I'll gladly not damage this. And slide that out, come on. Ah, I got stuck, oh no. There we go, there we go, there we go. Yes, 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 yes. A set. And then, bam. There she goes, she's just standing up. She's just standing up. She's just, oh, standing up right there. There we go. Got this. Stickers. I'm trying to make this all like neat and organized. But on screen, it's not very neat and organized. How beautiful is this? How absolutely gorgeous is this set? A set's head is like cut off in the frame. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Somnium Files Collector's Edition. Day 1 edition for the Nintendo Switch. I believe there's also stickers in here, but I could be wrong. Anyway, that's that. Let's open this really quick, especially because we get that new game smell if we open it up. And I always like having the new game smell, so we're doing this. There we go. That's just how I typically do it. Just scissors. Bam. In the little opening slot thing. Okay, that just flew around somewhere. I don't know where that went, but oh well. I can clean that up in a minute. Oh, this was not a very good scissor job. Oh, there we go. Yes, slide that down. Whoa, okay, I was right, there were stickers. There's just a logo sticker and I believe an IBA sticker in the back. Oh, they can just slide out. Yeah, I sticker, Somnium Files logo sticker. IBA, so, yep. Put those down. Look at how awesome this looks. I would add it, but this is the most excited I've been for a game since Azron Legacy, which is a lot. So, yeah. There's the cartridge right there. And right before I play, because I haven't played it yet, obviously, as you know, I know nothing about the game. I've muted everything on Twitter. So, last prediction. This game takes place inside the mind, right? The mind never lies, go inside the mind and stuff. My big out there into the game reveal prediction after whatever timeline nonsense goes down is that this entire game takes place in Uchikochi's mind and that we see him at the end. Evidence for this, because of how wacky it is, how meta he gets with his narratives, and also because A-Set apparently knows him from the vlogs. So, they're like related or something, right? Anyway, that's my evidence for this. Please don't comment down below. I don't even know if I'll be able to play this today. I've been waiting for this all year and I don't even know if I'm going to be able to play it today because I'm so busy because college is crazy hectic. So, yeah, please keep me spoiler free. Please, guys. Please! Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm super duper pumped for this game. Can't wait to play through it. Really excited. So yeah, bless you Uchikochi for releasing this game, for the masterpiece that is the marketing. I want to, sorry about never making that bingo video that I want to do with various predictions, but I got my big prediction in. So yeah, Uchikochi's mind, that's what this game is. Anyway, see you guys later, goodbye, and thank you all so much for watching. Good Play starts this week, so I'll be doing a video on that. Please subscribe or else I'm gonna go like so aggro. Please, guys, don't forget to smack that comment button, hit that subscribe button, and ring that like button, and then follow that notification bell. That's how the kids say it, right? Anyway, nya.